let me be very clear. If you have 15 or more employees, you must have a written workplace violence prevention plan in place, and it should have been trained by July. The policy that was drafted by Cal OSHA that was deemed the model WVPP was garbage. They did tell us that we were going to get a new model plan. They told us first it was going to be in October, and then they told us it was going to be December, and then they told us it was going to be February, and then about 10 days ago, they told us that it might be available in April. What's really essential from a workplace violence prevention plan for all of you in the room here is this. How is it that you are holding people accountable, and who is going to be responsible for basically keeping everyone else safe? If you've got those elements laid out in a written plan, then you're going to be, generally speaking, okay. Because Cal OSHA is not going to come looking at the details, the fine print, oh, you don't have an exit plan from the building in case there's an active shooter. Those are not going to be the minuscule type of things that Cal OSHA is looking for. They want to make sure that they know who's accountable, who's responsible, and who's leading the charge in the event of an emergency. So sit down with counsel, put together a plan, and then you must make sure you're training your people on it. This is going to be an annualized training. I'm telling folks, plan it when you're doing your sexual harassment prevention training. Put it back to back, just knock it out at the same time. It will check it off in your mind. It is a mandate. The Cal OSHA will be enforcing this beginning this year. They were really lax on enforcing it in 2024 because they were so far behind in issuing model rules and they didn't even really know what they were doing. But be prepared because this will be the next major area that we have to keep our fingers on for audits in 2025.